Hello, how to solve for s from this given nice math problem. Square root of s plus 2s is equal to 1. Solution. Square root of s plus 2s is equal to 1. Square root of s is equal to 1 minus 2x. Then let's square both sides of this equation. Square root of s square is equal to 1 minus 2s square. This will cancel this. S is equal to 1 minus 2s square. Note that if you have a minus b square, this is equal to a square minus 2ab minus 2ab plus b square. Then this is s is equal to 1 square minus 2 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 2x plus 2s all square. Then s is equal to 1 minus 4s plus 4s square. Then this is 4s square minus 4x minus x plus 1 is equal to 0. You have 4s square minus 5x plus 1 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation which can be solved using quadratic general formula or factorization method. But in this case, I'm going to make use of quadratic general formula. From this quadratic equation, a is equal to 4, b is equal to minus 5, c is equal to 1. Then s is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a. S is equal to minus bracket minus 5 plus or minus square root of minus 5 square minus 4 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 1 over 2 multiplied by 4. S is equal to 5 plus or minus square root of minus 5 square, that is 25, minus 4 times 4 times 1, that is 16 over 8. S is equal to 5 plus or minus square root of 25 minus 16, that is 9 over 8. Then S is equal to 5 plus or minus 3 over 8. S is equal to 5 plus 3 over 8 or 5 minus 3 over 8. S is equal to 5 plus 3 over 8, that is 8 over 8, or 5 minus 3 over 8, 2 over 8. This will cancel this. 2 here 1, 2 here 4. S is equal to 1 or 1 over 4. This is the final answer. Thank you. Bye bye.